What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Today I'm doing a different angle. I'm gonna start trying to hold the camera. I'm not sure if you guys like this angle. I figured if I move more around, it's kind of cooler. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Either way, I'm lame. But today we have a product that's super exciting to take a look at. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the Logitech G305. This is a wireless a mouse that is supported by LIGHTSPEED, which is Logitech technology to basically have really good wireless connection between a mouse and a dongle. So you should not feel a difference basically when you're gaming on a wireless mouse. So on today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this bad boy, taking a look at it, wiring up, and actually we're gonna be plugging in the software on the desktop to see how it looks, to see all the configurations that they have, and to see all of that. This mouse came around $49, so it's not very expensive. For a wireless gaming mouse, this is a great price. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, and we'll do some really cool shots of it. So let's go ahead and do those, unbox, and give you some good shots. Let's go. Alright guys, so currently we're testing the mouse on Valorant. I have it at 3200 DPI. The mouse is very responsive, very sensitive. I usually play at 32 DPI with my Logitech 502. But so far, I really like this mouse. So far, I really like this mouse. It has a great grip. I love it. Oh, I'm really liking this mouse. It's super light, super easy to hold, to play with. But yeah, feels really nice on the arm. I'm getting used to this mouse because it's lighter than my other mouse. But so far, I really like it. It feels really good in the arm, has a full grip, and it's very responsive. Like, I'm not seeing any delays at all. Nice. I'm gonna adjust the DPI. We're at 1600 right now. Okay, this is 1600 DPI. I usually like high DPI just because I don't know, I'm used to it, I guess, at this point. Alright, so overall, gameplay is really good. I really like this mouse. At $49, it's an insane deal. And I can totally notice the light speed. I'm not seeing any delays at all. There's no delays between my movement and the mouse, and the response and the rendering of the game. So I totally recommend this mouse. And it looks so slick. I mean, look at this thing. This design is so cool. Thank you for watching another episode of Coffee and Tech. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Also, if you want to do some more talking to me in live, you can hit me up on twitch.tv/givehimchills. I'm live every weeknight during the week, which is obvious. I'm live every weeknight, so you can come over there, hang out with me, and we can talk more about tech, play some video games. And I also play with viewers, so you're welcome to hang around and we can play together some video games that we have in common. And that was the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED wireless mouse. If you like this mouse, let me know. And if you buy one, let me know, because I'm interested to see how everybody thinks of it and what you guys think of this mouse. See ya.